Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use Visa gift card on Apple Store. Here's a quick guide to help you set it up and make purchases. Start by checking your Visa gift card balance. You can do this by visiting the website or calling the number on the back of the card. Make sure the balance covers the total purchase, including taxes. Most Visa gift cards need to be registered. Go to the card issuer's website and link your name, address, and zip code to the card. This steps is necessary for online purchases. On the Apple Store app or website, go to Payment Methods and select Add Credit or Debit Card. Enter the Visa gift card details, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV. Now, browse the Apple Store, add items to your cart, and at checkout, select your Visa gift card as the payment method, complete the purchase. And there you go. Using your Visa gift card on the Apple Store is that easy. Like and subscribe for more shopping tips. Thanks for watching.